Plexus, one of the most distinctive tokens published on Bitget this month, is one of the reasons Bitget is thriving with its recent listing. Are you prepared for the in-depth details on one of the investments that will be worthwhile to hold for the upcoming cryptocurrency rally or bull run? Now let's get started. Plexus is a cross-chain DEX aggregator that serves as a link between several blockchain networks, guaranteeing that users can conduct cross-chain exchanges in the quickest, least expensive, and safest possible way. Plexus distinguishes itself from conventional bridges by emphasizing the user experience via its cross-chain routing protocol, CCRP, which is based on the Theta algorithm. The platform's goal is to establish itself as the primary DeFi hub where users can quickly and easily swap any asset on any blockchain. Plexus addresses the interoperability challenges inherent in the current blockchain ecosystem through its revolutionary CCRP technology. This protocol acts as the backbone, establishing a network node on each layer 1 chain. To improve the efficiency of cross-chain swaps, real-time liquidity data from every chain converges at the relayer node, and the algorithm calculates the optimal exchange path. This unique process allows users to execute secure swap transactions between different chains with a single confirmation. The deposit and withdrawal of the token is currently already available on Bitget. The token itself is already available on Bitget Spot, so how do you trade it? Register or sign in to Bitget by accessing their website. After that, you can click Spot Trade as all the tokens are listed in this section. Spot Trade is like the core of crypto trading. Before you are getting further, you can deposit some USDT to trade those tokens if you haven't. You can trade PLX/USDT. The process of trading your PLX on Bitget exchange ends there. However, be careful to conduct additional research and use technical analysis for further investigation. This brings an end to our video. As these tokens continue to change, don't forget to keep up with the most recent information and happenings in the cryptocurrency space. I hope your Bitget trading is successful and that you have a happy time investing.